Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video you will learn how to properly use the Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser, which can be used daily and it's also suitable for all skin types. Now this cleanser can help you to remove any excess oil, dirt and light makeup without leaving the skin feeling dry or tight, which also makes it ideal for drier skin types. And this cleanser is also oil-free, soap-free, it also won't clog your pores, and it's also a fragrance-free cleanser, and it's also free of any other harsh chemicals, which also then makes it suitable if you have a sensitive skin. Now the best way to also use this cleanser is also by applying it on wet skin. And I also recommend using lukewarm water instead of cold water, first of all because it feels more comfortable on the skin, and second of all because it also can help you to remove the cleanser a bit better. So first of all, we are going to start off with wetting the face and neck area with lukewarm water. And now go ahead and use a generous amount of the cleanser, like so. Use it between your hands, and then you also will notice that it also gently bubbles up. And now you can also start massaging it into the skin. And please also make sure to not get it into your eyes. If you're getting it into your eyes, please also rinse it with water. So, and after you're done with massaging it into the skin, you now can also go ahead and rinse it off again with lukewarm water. Now, if you have difficulties to also remove your cleanser properly and you still have the feeling that you have like leftovers on your skin, I highly can recommend using in between a fresh cloth which you're going to wet, and this can also help you to remove the cleanser a bit better. Of course, this is just a tip and also personal preference. And now go ahead and take a fresh towel and pat the skin dry. And this is also basically how you can also properly use the Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser. Of course, if you now want to move on to your favorite moisturizer that's also suitable for your skin type, and also if you're a bit more sensitive to the skin, then of course go ahead, and this would be now the next step, or just leave it as it is. Now this is also what I wanted to share with you. I also do hope that you also find this video helpful and that you now know how you can use the Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser. If you also like this video, please also don't forget to give the thumbs up as well as share it. And happy skin caring, and also we'll see you soon in the next one. Bye!